Welcome to Travefy. Travefy helps you showcase your value across every client interaction, proposals, forms, invoices, and more. And with a built-in CRM, it's easy to stay organized without the tech headaches. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how Travefy can help you save time, stay organized, and wow your clients at every step. Start by organizing your client info in Travefy's Smart CRM. Add key details, documents, and even custom fields to keep everything in one place. Safe, secure, and everything is always at your fingertips. When it's time to plan a trip, Travefy's Trip Builder makes it easy. With hundreds of supplier integrations and tools like Smart Import, which are powered by AI, creating a trip takes minutes, not hours. Add in destination information, activities, hotels, and more, with beautiful formatting and mobile access built within. Send proposals your clients can explore and interact with. Use proposals and decisions to offer your clients choices and allow them to make a selection, and also fill out any remaining forms. No more back and forth emails. Not only that, but send branded invoices and introduce payment schedules that work for both you and your clients. Use commissions to track when your next payout is and giving you better financial visibility. No more scattered spreadsheets or jumping in between different systems. Travefy makes it simple and easy for both you and your clients. Staying connected to a client has also never been easier. Keep your conversations in one place using Travefy's email integration. See every message, reply, and never lose track of a client conversation ever again. Want to grow your travel business? Use Travefy's marketing tools to create custom branded websites and landing pages. Capture leads and promote group trips. No design skills necessary. That's Travefy. Travefy is the core platform for travel advisors and agencies who want to simplify their travel business. From proposals to forms, itineraries to commissions, Travefy helps you showcase your value at every stage. Plus, it's easy to stay organized with Travefy's built-in CRM, all without the tech headaches. Plus, with the mobile app that your client will be raving about to their friends and family, and Travefy's world-class education and support to back you up, Travefy is going to make it easy for you to look professional, stay organized, and grow your travel business with confidence. Start your free trial or schedule a demo with us today to see what's possible.